Hello vintage outboard motor fans, this is T Mike here in South Louisiana. I'm out running another motor this morning. I'm running the bull calf motor. This is restore number 89. It is a 1961 5.5 horsepower Johnson CD-18, and it's got a name. It's called the bull calf motor. So here's the story. Jamie from Mississippi sent this motor to me. It's his grandfather's motor. When Jamie's mother and father came to drop the motor off to me, Jamie's mother explained that this was her father's motor, and they had a dairy farm. And when the calves were born, if it was a heifer, they kept it because it was a dairy. If it was a bull calf, the word wasn't any good to them and the dairy, so they sold it off for $8. And the grandfather took the $8 and put it in a jar, and said when they sold enough bull calves, they were going to go and get an outboard motor. And this is the motor they went get. So we have named it in memory of the grandfather, the bull calf motor. So she's a beauty, fully restored, carburetor rebuilt, magneto ignition rebuilt, gear case rebuilt, tested. Turned out great. Had a little trouble with the spark. If you watched the previous video, I found the bad points. And a brand new set of points was bad, put it on there, and she runs great. Pushes my 14-foot feathercraft here about 8 miles an hour. So let's give her a start and see how she runs this morning. If everybody's ready, here we go. Runs great, idles really well. Like I said, pushes my John boat here about 8 miles an hour. It's pretty good for a 5.5. Alright, the bull calf motor is ready. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember, here at T Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. Here's the best part of the restoration. When all your parts have been removed, disassembled, cleaned, painted, and ready for assembly. This is restore number 89, which is a 1961 CD-18 Johnson 10 horsepower. Stern bracket, exhaust housing, lower cowling, gear case completely rebuilt, starter rewinder, flywheel, power head, bracket clamps, tilt boat, gear case, ignition magneto rebuilt, carburetor rebuilt, handles, all the nuts and bolts, all completely clean, ready for reassemble. Woohoo! Hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.